Good evening, my super YouTuber friends. It's nice to be here talking to you again. It's Saturday evening, and the reason for this video is that 50 Shades of Green has nominated everybody to share their stories of gardening disasters. So I thought I'd share a small story that I've got from a few years ago. It was not really a disaster, it was just a very disappointing situation. Cast your mind back to the mid-2000s, I think it must have been around 2006, maybe 2005, I'm not sure. We had a really good run of summers here in the south of England, and one of these years I did a large number of sunflowers. And in fact, I think it was 2006. I think it was for Paul's 40th birthday, I think. I think 2005 was good as well, but anyway, I digress. So I did lots of sunflowers, lots of different varieties, including teddy bears, which are the small variety, little fluffy things. And I did Velvet Queen, quite appropriate, and several other large, yellow ones. Velvet Queen is red, like a dark, rusty red, beautiful. And we filled literally the whole garden in sunflowers. And, the season came and went. The squirrels eventually all, started running up them, eating the heads, which was fine. We enjoyed that. We did wonder why they were all sort of bending, and it was clearly the squirrels. But I've got nothing against squirrels, so I thought, let them have it. So anyway, the following year, I decided that I wanted to replicate the sunflowers again, and I planted 75 seeds of different varieties again, and I germinated them successfully, and I planted them into pots to bring them on, and I put them outside at the side of the house for them to grow on before planting them into the garden. The side of the house gets quite a bit of sun during the day. Ideal. Or so I thought. One day I went to check them. The array of sunflowers, struggling, striving for the light. And there was not a single one left. My beautiful little squirrel had eaten the lot. All of them gone. Not a single one left. I could have wept, and I could have killed that squirrel. I wouldn't harm any animals, but I could have throttled it. That was it wasn't a disaster, it was very disappointing. And I don't think I've ever done sunflowers since then. I was totally put off. But actually, we've never had a real good run of summers since then, really, in a row. We've had the odd one for 2 weeks. But I remember back then it was gorgeous. I think we ate out every night. We barbecued our dinner. No matter what it was that we were eating, we barbecued it outside and sat outside till God knows what time. It was great. Golden times, golden years, when I didn't work full time. Anyhow, that's that story. Thank you very much to 50 Shades of Green for nominating everybody to do that. And I just want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers and anybody that's watching and supporting. It's really great to be part of the YouTube community. It really is enjoyable. I really love doing videos for you, and long may it continue for all of us. I think I've reached 121 subscribers now, which I am over the moon with. Thank you so much. Seriously, I'm really, really grateful. I look forward to reaching 1,000 subscribers. I'm not sure when that will happen, but I'm going to try my best. and I'm going to try my best to provide you all with quality entertainment, as we all do. I enjoy watching your videos as well. I subscribe to loads of channels and I really enjoy them when I get round to watching them. So have a good weekend, enjoy the rest of your Saturday evening, whatever you're doing. We're in as usual. You know. And yeah, see you all very soon. Bye for now and take care. Bye.